Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra glass screens, hands-on leaks confirmed, the design language of the smartphone again. On the other hand, One UI 7 is said to be the biggest improvement in Samsung's history. New improvements obviously will change your smartphone experience. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Once again, a reputable tech insider Ice Universe posted exclusive new details on his post. As you can see in the video, you can imagine the in-hand feel of holding the Galaxy S25 Ultra in your hand through a leaked glass image. We've seen leaked third-party screen protectors for the Galaxy S25 series in the past. Now, the source come up with a new set of images, screening 3D and tempered glass. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra would feel sleek while holding in hand, as shown in the leaked glass image. The Galaxy S25 family will feature a thin symmetrical bezel design. The bezels are said to be even thinner than Apple's iPhone 16 Pro lineup, pushing the S25 lineup to look more premium. Samsung's S25 Ultra could be slightly taller and narrower than the S24 Ultra. The company has also reduced the thickness of the middle frame, from the left and right sides. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus can also be seen here. The former will debut as a small yet powerful flagship, while the latter will have even more powerful specifications. Non-Ultra flagships could have slightly thicker bezels than the S25 Ultra. However, it's a crime to determine a potential design decision based on the leaked image of third-party protectors. On the other hand, One UI 7.0 could bring the biggest improvement in Samsung's history of mobile software. According to reliable tipster Ice Universe, this improvement is with regard to the overall system stability, smoothness, and fluidity of animations and transitions. Moreover, they also claimed that Samsung will launch the Galaxy S25 with One UI 7, likely One UI 7.1, on board. Apparently, One UI 7 will perform even better on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That is due to the combination of Samsung's software, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, also known as Snapdragon 8 Elite, processor, and 16GB of RAM. The upcoming flagship Qualcomm chip is the most significant improvement in the company's recent history. Samsung will launch the Galaxy S25 series in the first quarter of the next year. One UI 7's final version will also be announced at the Unpacked event. Last heard, the Korean tech giant is preparing to use Exynos 2500 in Galaxy S25. Meanwhile, a final decision is still pending, which could be taken later this month or early next month. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.